Hey everyone, just a quick video. I want to share with you how I used AI really quick to help me with something. So I'm applying for jobs and I'm very tired of it. I've done a lot of it. And so it's the end of the day and I just want to be done with this. And this job ad here says Airtable experience. And I was like, yeah, I have Airtable experience. And what I did is created a survey for people to fill out using service called Tally, which is really excellent, very customizable. And I connected that survey data to get sent directly to a Airtable sheet. And so I was able to use their integrations to do this. So this is, how you set it up. And then in Airtable, all of that data, just as soon as someone filled out the survey, would just appear in this table here. And I'm not going to go through the data. I want to make sure it's anonymous so that, protects people's privacy. But yeah, so that's what I did. And I wanted to communicate that experience on my resume. So I have really enjoyed using Meta's Llama 3.1 405B. However, in this case, I really didn't like its output. So I wrote, help me write a bullet point for a resume. They want someone with Airtable experience. I've used Tally surveys to collect data from my users and use their integration feature to connect and send that data to an Airtable sheet. And, you can pause this. I'm not going to read all of this, but the responses were very wordy, technical, not true. I said nothing about data analysis or visualization. So I didn't like it. So screw that. I decided to use Google's AI Studio. So if you have a Google account, you can go to aistudio.google.com, log in with your Google account. And overall, I've really liked it. It does a nice job. So let me hide this. Let me bring this up. So on the right hand side, when you bring open this side panel here, you can choose which model you want to use. And yesterday, August 27th, they just released a new experimental model. And ever since August 1st, I've been using this older experimental model, which has been really good. And so they have a new one. I hadn't used it yet, so I was like, okay, I'm going to give it a shot. So what I did is I just explained what I wanted it to do. I said, help me write a bullet point for a resume. They want someone with Airtable experience. I've used Tally surveys to collect data from my users and use their integration feature to connect and send that data to an Airtable sheet. After about 3.6 seconds, it wrote back, utilize Airtable to centralize and manage user data collected through Tally surveys, leveraging the platform's integration to automate data transfer and streamline analysis. And I was like, yeah, I like that a lot better. It even explained this bullet point highlights your experience and demonstrates your understanding of integration and data automation. It avoids jargon and uses clear, concise language. So it's like, okay, cool. And then optional additions. And it even says, how you can make it better. But, like I said, I'm tired, don't want to do that. Don't really have a high number of people that took the survey, so that's really not relevant. So I was like, okay, this seems pretty good enough. I'm going to put it into my resume. So put it into my resume. Ignore that. So I put it into my resume and I'm like, you know what? It's kind of long. I wish it was shorter. So I went to Claude, and Claude is really impressive. So I said, make this as concise as possible as a bullet item for a resume to show my skill in Airtable. And I pasted in what Google had given me. So Claude said, here's a concise version for your resume. Integrated Airtable with Tally surveys to automate data collection, centralization, and analysis. So then I replaced that. and add the period. Don't know why it didn't add a period. And that's a single sentence, and I love it. Integrated Airtable with Tally surveys to automate data collection, centralization, and analysis. That's pretty bang on. Pretty short, sweet. This whole process took me honestly, it probably took me 5 minutes. And if I wasn't tired and if I was good at writing for resumes, it probably would have taken me less time. But when I'm tired and I need the help, AI is there to save the day, so to speak. So yeah, this is just another quick video to show you a potential use case. Yeah, so there you have it. This was just a really quick video to demonstrate one possible use case for AI. If you're looking for help on how to use AI for your unique use case, whether you're working on a project or a business or for your own work at your own job, just reach out to me. I'd love to help you out and see if we can figure out something together. All right, thank you for watching. Take care.